So, hey everyone, today we are going to do the link insertion in a linked list. So, we are doing insertion along with creation. So, first, what we're going to do is we're going to create a linked list from the scratch. And for that, will be defining class node that will have a constructor. And since we are not returning anything, I'll just cut it out. And you're going to pass the data whenever we are whenever we need to create a linked list or do an insertion in it, because we are going to create a linked list for once. There will be self.head, and next to it we're going to just append one node after node after node. And for that we have two things. We will do self.data, which will be equal to data that will be passed, and next is self.next, which will be set to none and can be changed later whenever will be appending data. So the class of node is ready. Now we having class linked list, sorry. And in this linked list, what we are going to do is we will be defining a constructor in it, and in this linked list the self.head will be none, will be set to none. And whenever there's a method called append, now comes the interesting part. Whenever there's a method named append called self.data, what is going to happen? What's going to happen? Okay, so I'm going to tell you what's going to happen now. If self.head is equal to is sorry is not what we're going to do is we're just going to do current equals to current equals to node dot, and suppose we're going to say node dot data. Okay, so this is what's going to happen now. If not self dot head, okay, so this is going to append the data, then self dot head equals to current. Okay, this is the condition if there is no linked list in existence. Now what if there's already a linked list? What if there is already data appended before it? Now what we're going to do is we are going to traverse the very first to the last, and then insert or append in the very last of what is an actual linked list, how it actually works. Okay, so we are going to just say temp equals to self dot head. Okay, while sorry while temp okay, wait a minute, am I doing something wrong? Okay, I just need to return it. Okay, I just need to return from now, because since we've appended, you'll be going back. there's nothing that we're going to do from now. And while temp is not none, I think that while temp is enough if temp exists. And temp equals to temp dot next. We'll be moving to the very next node. Okay, and check, and if there's something while temp dot next, it will go on and do something, go to the very next and check if it exists in next. If the next is empty, then it's enough, and from then onwards temp dot next becomes current, sorry, current. Okay, so we're done until now, and there's one more function that we need to create, and it's def print self and self, and we'll check, and trap, we'll be assigning self dot head to trap, and while trap is true, we will print trap dot data, and then it will move to the very next node, and it will go on, it's till our link is exist, and the next location is not none, and when we encounter a location that is none, it will stop and come out of the loop. So trap equals to trap dot next. Okay, I think that it's enough that we need to do until now. We're going to make an object singly equals to linked list. Okay, good until now. Head is none, and we're going to do singly dot append 4, and we'll then append singly dot append 3, and singly dot append 9. Then singly dot print, and guess we're okay until now. Let's see if it works, and if there are any error, we'll return back and see what's wrong with this. Okay, so we're getting nothing. This is something that we need to look upon and check where is the error. Single dot linked list is created. Okay, good until now. Self dot head and append, if our no, self dot head is not there, self dot head. Okay, self dot head equals to current. If it's not true, temp equals to self dot head. Temp, while temp dot next is not true, temp dot next equals to current, print self, and trap is equals to trap dot next is not true. I don't see any error, and we'll save it and check it. Okay, so we have our input, that is 439 appended very well. So that's it. See you in the next one.